H is the deviation ratio, and in the case of BFSK signal we have, which we have seen in the previous video, that is for BFSK, binary frequency shift keying. In that case the value of H is equals to 1. Value of H is equals to 1. Now in our case we can more decrease the value of H, that is H is equals to 1 by 2. So it is the minimum expected value of deviation ratio. So that cause the type of FSK to be MSK, that is type of frequency shift keying signal to be minimum shift keying signal, because we have using the minimum value of deviation which is 1 by 2. ठीक है, it cause minimum चेंज, मिनिमम शिफ्ट इन फ्रीक्वेंसी एज वेल एज फेज. ठीक है, फेज में भी शिफ्ट होगा लेकिन वो इट इज वेरी माइनर, बट द शिफ्ट इन फ्रीक्वेंसी इज नोटिफिकेबल. ठीक है, इट इज यू विल नोटिस द चेंज इन फ्रीक्वेंसी by the value of H is equals to 1 by 2. So therefore it is the another type of FSK signal. CPFSK, it is the example of CPFSK. MSK is the example of CPFSK, continuous phase frequency shift keying. मतलब फेज कंटिन्यूस रहेगा, फ्रीक्वेंसी चेंज होंगी. ठीक है, लेकिन उसमें जो डेविएशन है, द चेंज बिटवीन द टू फ्रीक्वेंसी इज वेरी, इट इज द मिनिमम एक्सपेक्टेड. सो देयरफॉर द नेम ऑफ द टाइप ऑफ शिफ्ट कीइंग इज मिनिमम शिफ्ट कीइंग. नाउ अभी हमने बता दिया दोनों में डिफरेंस क्या है. BFSK में H इज इक्वल्स टू 1 है, BFSK के टाइम पे, दैट इज बाइनरी फ्रीक्वेंसी शिफ्ट कीइंग, इसलिए उसका नाम MSK नहीं है. ठीक है, लेकिन अभी जो डेविएशन रेशियो है वो मिनिमम है. देयरफॉर द नेम ऑफ द शिफ्ट कीइंग टेक्निक इज MSK, minimum shift keying. Now we are designing the equation for MSK, that is we will derive the equation for S of t for the MSK. अभी हम MSK की बात करेंगे, जहाँ पर हम क्या करेंगे, H is equals to 1 by 2 पुट करेंगे. we will substitute H is equals to 1 by 2. it is the generalized form of CPFSK signal, which is S of t is equals to under 2 EB by TB. थीटा ऑफ टी है, थीटा ऑफ टी इज इक्वल टू थीटा ऑफ 0 प्लस माइनस पाई एच. ठीक है, पाई एच टी बाय टी बी. ठीक है, सो दिस एच इज फॉर एवरी टाइप ऑफ CPFSK सिग्नल. नाउ वी आर टॉकिंग अबाउट MSK. नाउ इन द MSK वी विल सब्सटीट्यूट H इज इक्वल टू 1 by 2. ठीक है, इफ आई सब्सटीट्यूट H इज इक्वल टू 1 पुट करूंगा तो इट विल बिकम BFSK. फॉर 1 इट विल बी BFSK. ठीक है, नाउ वी आर हैविंग द फॉर MSK. नाउ वी विल कॉन्सेंट्रेट ऑन MSK by substituting H is equals to 1 by 2. ठीक है, now first we will have the generalized form of theta of TB. so if you use this equation, so which is the equation number 3, so in the equation 3 if you substitute T is equals to TB, it will become that is, and rearrange the equation, you will find theta of TB minus theta of TB minus, that is when you put T equal to TB in the equation 3, in this equation 3. In this equation 3, if you substitute T equals to TB, so theta of TB equal to theta of 0 plus minus pi h TB by TB. So TB will get cancelled, and theta, if you rearrange the equation, that is theta of TB minus theta of 0 is equals to plus minus pi h plus minus pi h. ठीक है, तो for symbol 1 it is plus pi h, and for symbol 0 it is minus pi h. Now the equation for the difference of phase, it is the difference of phase for 1 bit. ये क्या है, it is the difference of phase for 1 bit, single bit. So theta of TB is equal to minus theta of 0 is equal to pi h for symbol 1 and minus pi h for symbol 0. Now we can also have, that is when that is sending of symbol 1 increases the phase of the CPU. अभी हमने जो बात की हमने, symbol 1 रहेगा तो phase increase होगा because of plus, and when the symbol is 0 it will be decreased by pi h radians. ठीक है, for symbol 1 phase will be increased by pi h radians. ठीक है, and for symbol 0 phase will decrease by same amount. ठीक है, now we can have it is the generalized form of phase tree. Phase tree is nothing but the representation of change in phase for different symbols. ठीक है, so you can see here when theta of TB, we are finding the phase change for single bit, that is theta of TB minus theta of 0. ठीक है, so it is for symbol 1 it is increase in the phase by pi h, and for symbol 0 it is decrease by pi h. ठीक है, so for 1 bit, so for example at t equal to 0, ठीक है, if the symbol is 1 तो phase will be increased by pi h. You can see here pi h, so say phase will be increased by pi h. Similarly, if next bit also 1, it will be increased by pi h, or when symbol is 0 it will be decreased by pi h. Similarly, at time t equal to 0, when the symbol is 0, the phase will be decreased by pi h, ठीक है, एंड व्हेन द सिंबल इज 1, इफ द नेक्स्ट सिंबल इज 1 it will be increased by pi s, when it is 0 then symbol will be decreased by pi s. So that's how we will have